All my phone numbers got destroyed, so that was a big mess.
All right, is it Pagan?
Yes, Pegan.
Pagan, okay, thank you. Are you able to hear me okay?
I can hear you, but I can't see nothing.
Just a second. Where's the mouse right there? Got it. Oops. What's that? Oh, okay. There it goes.
There it goes.
All right, looks like we have everybody else connected, so we'll go on the record. This is People versus Roger Lee Pagan. This is case number 224684. We have Ms. Wagner here present on behalf of probation and parole, and Mr. Seeger is here on behalf of Mr. Pagan for purposes of arraignment today. Mr. Pagan, you're before the court here today for arraignment on a probation violation. Are you aware of what the alleged violation is?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A couple of things I need to go through with you with regard to your rights. First, you do have the right to have a hearing as to whether or not you actually did violate your probation as alleged. You also have the right to have an attorney present in any subsequent proceedings. As I indicated, Mr. Seeger is here present on your behalf today. If you would wish to consult with him. We also, if you can't afford an attorney, one would be appointed for you at public expense. If you are found guilty of the alleged probation violation, it could subject you to the maximum possible penalty on your underlying charge, which is up to, it's like up to 10 years. Do you understand all of those things that I've stated to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Seeger, did you have a chance to speak with Mr. Pagan at all?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. How does he want to plead this morning?
Your Honor, at this time, he would just ask that a hearing be set and that a bond be set.
Okay, so Mr. Pagan, the court's gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf with regard to the alleged violation, and then the court will set this for a hearing. Ms. Wagner, on behalf of probation, do you have any recommendations regarding the bond pending that hearing?
I do, Your Honor. Thank you. So this case originated with Mr. Scott, who's no longer with us. He's in a different capacity. Your Honor sentenced him on 8/2 of 2022. Mr. Scott met with Mr. Pagan immediately after court to go over his orientation, went over instructions, advised him to report immediately upon his release from incarceration, which Mr. Pagan failed to do. I'm not for sure what happened in the meantime, but Mr. Scott didn't even realize Mr. Pagan was out of jail until March, when that bench warrant was pursued. So I know he did go to Antrim County Jail until 10/25 of 2022. I think he fell for the cracks. However, according to Mr. Scott, he did make it very clear that Mr. Pagan report to jail and call him, which he never did. So his whereabouts has been unknown up until his arrest the other day. So considering that he's a flight risk, I would just ask that the court set up significant bond. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Seeger.
Your Honor, I would.
Mr. Pagan, I just want to advise you, Mr. Seeger may have already done this as well. Anything that you say on the record here today could be used against you later at that probation violation hearing. So you may want to consider whether and to what extent you want to make any statements here today. I want to hear from your lawyer first, and then we'll see if you want to make any statements. Mr. Seeger?
Your Honor, Mr. Pagan had indicated that he was recently released from Antrim County, and he did give me an explanation as to some of the allegations that are contained within the probation violation, for which he would like to express those or try and explain those things to you at the probation violation hearing. But be that as it may, Your Honor, was hopeful that he could be released on bond, as he has a bunch of medical type other things that he needs to take care of. I don't know as if he's a flight risk. I guess more telling is that he's not picked up any new drug charges, at least to my belief. So he's just asking for the court to give him a lower bond of some sort, if not a PR bond.
All right, given the nature of the underlying charges, given that this bench warrant has been out since March of 2023, so nearly a year, the court does have concerns about Mr. Pegan's appearance at future hearings. The court is going to set bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety, and the court will set this for a hearing within 14 days as required by statute and court rule. Ms. Wagner,
$10,000. I ain't got a job.
Mr. Pegan,
Alright.
did you want an attorney still? Did you fill out the form?
Yes, I did.
All right, and Your Honor,
Yeah, I
based on
need one
that,
because I'm getting shafted, I think.
all right, and Your Honor, I would just ask the jail to return that to the court, and then I would assign Mr. Travis to it.
okay. All right, so the court will note that Mr. Pegan is qualifies for a court-appointed attorney, and the court will refer for assignment of Mr. Travis. The court will fill out that bond paperwork today. Ms. Wagner, anything further from your side?
If the defendant post bond, he is instructed to contact me immediately so I can set up reporting instructions for him.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am.
all right, thank you. That's all for
All right,
today.
thank you, Your Honor.
Court's gonna